I'm with AARP. I'm at the Expo 50 Plus, and it has been a fabulous event. Chocolate Fest seems like it has been a big success, and the crowds have been just kind of constant all day long. There hasn't been a big crowd at any one given time, but there have been a lot of people who have come through. And we really appreciate everybody who has come to both the Chocolate Fest and to the Expo. I hope that everyone will turn out again next year, and thank you for coming this year.
I'm with the Tennessee Anti-Tobacco Advocacy Initiative, and we're here at the 50 Plus Expo, and we're just giving out a lot of literature. We got our Plinko game here. You have to answer a question and win a prize. And we just want to let everyone know about the 1-800-QUIT-NOW. You get a free Quit Coach for 1 year and a Quit Kit to work with that, and we just hope everyone considers getting off tobacco if they're on it, and have a good day.
Okay, I'm Joanne Lowe from Asbury Place of Kingsport, Tennessee. We're located at 100 Netherland Lane on Netherland Road. You'll need to come off of that to go to the lane part. You can't miss us because we're only 4 stories high building, and we also have villa homes that we can sell you with services. We have 3 different services. We have Asbury at Home that can come into your home and give you services that are non-medical. We have an assisted living company on Bloomingdale Pike, and they can take care of your needs if you're assisted living. If you're independent, you can live on the Baysmont campus, and also on the Baysmont campus we have health care center there on the same campus. Our phone number is 423-0360 is our main office number, and we're always looking for wonderful residents to be able to have the wonderful lifestyle of Asbury. So you have a wonderful day, and again our phone number is 245-0360. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Teresa Bright, and I'm with Comfort Keepers. We're an in-home care service located here in Kingsport. We are on Moreland Drive near South High School. We do anywhere from 4-hour to 24-hour shifts. You can reach us at 246-0100, and we are enjoying being here at the 50s Plus Expo at Meadowview. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Angel Campbell, and I am with MetLife Bank. I'm here at the 50 Plus Expo having a great time, meeting a lot of great people. I specialize in reverse mortgages for seniors 62 and older. If you'd like more information on reverse mortgage, you can look me up at www.reverseinfo4seniors.com, and that's reverseinfo, the number 4seniors.com, or you can find me on Facebook at Angel Campbell Reverse Mortgages.
Hi folks, I'm Tim Buchanan. I'm with Broadmoor Senior Living in Bristol, Tennessee. We're located behind the Bristol Regional Medical Center, a beautiful section of Sullivan County, Tennessee. And we're here at the Senior Expo, booth 28. Just had a wonderful time today. We've won some door prizes. We've given a lot of things out. And but we're here to present Broadmoor Senior Living. We basically have an 85 apartment community in Sullivan County, just inside of the Bristol city limits. And with that, we have assisted living, and we have specialty care for those with dementia. It's called a memory care unit. So we have 5 sized apartments in this beautiful area. When you walk into the living area, beautiful grand piano. It's a very upscale community. But that's what we are. We'd love to hear from you. If you have assistance needs for your family members, feel free to give us a call, 423-943-8192. Thank you.